Thanks for joining us at Travel Ideas. Have you ever wondered what it's like to ride in a hot air balloon? Imagine standing in a wicker basket, the early morning chill seeping through your clothes, the smell of propane in the air as the flames roar into life. You're about to embark on a journey into the sky, and the anticipation is palpable. As the balloon inflates, it towers over you, a giant canvas filled with warm air. The ground crew untethers the balloon, and with a gentle lurch, you're off. Slowly, the earth falls away beneath you, replaced by a patchwork of fields, roads, and houses. You rise higher and higher, the landscape shrinking and becoming more abstract. The ascent is smooth, almost surreal. You're not flying but floating, suspended in the air. The world below seems to move in slow motion. The balloon drifts with the wind, carried along by invisible currents. There's a profound sense of peace, of being disconnected from the world below. Up here, the air is thinner, crisper. You can see for miles around, the horizon stretching out in a panoramic display. The sun begins to rise, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink, and gold. The world is waking up beneath you, and you have the best seat in the house. As the balloon sails through the sky, you feel a sense of freedom and exhilaration. You're not just observing the landscape, you're part of it. You're flying with the birds, drifting with the clouds. It's an experience unlike any other, a feeling of being at one with nature and the elements. Eventually, it's time to descend. The pilot releases some of the hot air, and the balloon begins to sink towards the ground. It's a gradual descent, the earth rising to meet you. The balloon touches down with a gentle bump, and you're back on solid ground. Riding in a hot air balloon is more than just a journey. It's an experience. It's the thrill of takeoff, the serenity of floating high above the earth, and the gentle return to reality. It's a perspective few people get to see, a view that takes your breath away. It's a moment of tranquility in a busy world, a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us. So, have you ever wondered what it's like to ride in a hot air balloon? Well, it's an adventure that's worth taking, a memory that will stay with you forever. Because once you've seen the world from a hot air balloon, you'll never look at it the same way again. If you enjoyed this video, check out others like this at Travel Ideas.